Hello everyone. So, today is day 106 of 366 day live challenge where I come live each day and share my journey, what I did, and what I'm doing in my life. So, before starting this live, let me summarize my day. So, today day was kind of a productive, but there was some hours that I was not on my productive side because of my own mistakes. So, I need to take care of that and also went for one puja and at a very kind of a refreshing time on that and also working on creating backend and that was kind of fun part and doing that much and also went for a gym and today like my leg is dead kind of way. Okay, so I like my squat were clean with the weight. Okay, like probably 70 kg, and that was the very enjoyable moment at the gym, but still my leg are hurting as like crazy. And like that was the day. So now I'm learning about those Android things, like, and also actively learning, like immersing myself in the Java. Okay, and also did the lead code and learning these things were still like I can see like some of the loopholes, okay, like that I am finding in my life, and I need to take care of that because as and like I share that. So I got like a five. I got one scholarship from the Amazon Web Service and Curiosity, right? So on that, I'm going to learn machine learning and like so I did for 1 8 month and that was the phase one and on the phase one like globally I guess 1000 or 2000 people were selected from the deep league racer challenge and after that I'm now like selected for the second phase for the 500. Bro, is you on LinkedIn? Yes, bro. I just shared some post, bro, before coming live. Okay, you can check that out and just give a like if you want. And so on the 500, and that was kind of a good thing. Okay, like uh, I need to learn about that also. Like just having this scholarship is not like a big thing. I need to actively learn and and on this phase two, right? So on the each month, I have a kind of a project on the ML and AI. So very uh, very glad to have that project. And bro, are you working for organization? Or yes, bro. Like so on a company. I work also. I'm studying. So for this today live, I will be learning my Android and doing some of the things. And like today, I will not be like that kind of because I'm like totally low on energy today because I just went for a gym, and today was my leg day. Okay, my legs are hurting like crazy, and so but I will stay for like 30 to 1 hour and just learn and do some of the tasks I need to do. Okay, and I will be talking with you guys also. Yes, but I'm like working on as a front end developer. Hey, I'm back. Remember me? Yes, bro. Like I think you changed your profile picture, but you are iOS developer, right? I guess we talked about around 2 3 days ago. I guess you are an iOS developer, right? Yeah, bro. Yeah, today I'm not going to be. I'm so much tired, bro. Today, like just before light. Hello, my internet working or not? Like today, it is being crazy. So yeah, today I will be back and also right. Why my internet is not working? Hello. So yeah, for database I'm using MySQL and backend I'm using Express. Yeah. So I will be creating some APIs. So I have already created a bunch of APIs and I need to test also and need to make it on a modular way. Okay, like what I did was at the first I just want to see those APIs are working, they are like making tables, data are being fetching, right? I just want to make sure that, and I like structure them on a different folder, on a like a control middleware. Okay, like my first priority is making sure that works. So I will be cleaning up my code also, and on the profile API, I guess I was having some error. I will be solving that, and I will then sleep, I guess, because I'm too much tired today of the gym session. So which day? So today was leg day, bro, and I like did crazy. Okay, like crazy leg day. I just make my personal record also on the squad, like the, and also did one deadlift. Yeah, bro, like it was very like when I was coming home, right? I was not able to move also, like. Bro, and how is your development going, bro? I can understand. Yeah, bro. How is your development going? And yeah, after some minute, I will mute my mic and we'll be seeing one video. Okay, like I have one issue that I can solve if I give some time, or I just want to have done it quickly because I need to do other work also, and I need to watch one video, and probably then I will go for a sleep, or like I will lay on my bed and I will read some of the books, and while reading the books, I guess I will fall asleep. Raul, bro, like are you here? And yeah, like today when I was coming home, right? So I went to one what you say like a puja, okay, and so like it was kind of a storytelling of the god and like goddesses, like for of the Sri Krishna and Radha, and yeah, like that was a very like hot, like my heart was full of love and like happiness, okay, and on that time, and I spent around 1 hour, I guess. That was the best moment of today, okay. I can't even express how like warm I felt on that moment. Yeah, Surya Krishna is this showing for love. Yeah, but like okay, so I don't know, like you know that word, but in Nepal here, right? So we have like kind of a 7 day kind of a puja, okay. So where like the speaker comes to one house and there is kind of a big celebration, and he starts telling the story of kings and the god and the goddesses, and like the Shiva, Vishnu, and like kind of a 7 days of what you say like Navratri. No, like Navratri. I mean, uh, they say like another word. Okay, I don't know like that word as a Hindi word or not. I can translate right now, but yeah, I will search it up and like I will send you bro in the message. Okay. Bro, talk about Shivaji. Did you feel him in your life? If yes, then share when. Yes, like I'm not able to be say like at the like which like there are like multiple encounter of that feeling, and right now like I'm like so much tired, right? So I'm not able to like really think about it, but yeah, bro. so many times, like in fact, like to talk about recently, right? Uh, so there is a temple just beside my home, and I go on there like for like not a regular basis cause of the this kind of a work shit. Yeah, like I need to go, but like when I go to that temple, right? So my all of my stress like goes like disappear, and there is one like you see Nandi, right? Like the Nandi, like Shivaji, what you say, Bahan, and I go near him and I whisper on the ear and share my kind of feelings, what I am going through in my life, and I get really kind of a positive vibe just by doing that. But we're like not able to think like clearly. Okay, so sorry for that. Yeah, but like so I go near the Nandi ear, okay, and I like from my childhood I heard like I believe one thing, okay. So whatever we think like say on the ear, right, like on the whisper, that goes straight like that goes to this Shivaji. So so this does not work. So I will delete it all. So yeah, like I'm making APIs, right? So for the API, like the basically the template will be the same for like a REST response and selecting from the database and creating it. So yeah, like I usually go to the ChatGPT and like say like okay, for this create like four APIs, but right now like I'm just typing myself and trying to like it will help me on my remembering the syntax also if I want. Yeah, so for that. And bro, like I will make this live only about 30 minutes today. I need to watch one video and I can't now watch it because I should mute it, right? So what are you working on? I'm working on one now. Like so, I told you, right? So I'm making one Android app. So for that, I'm making the APIs. So I like initially thought like I will use only MongoDB for my backend, for my database, right? But like my project, my code to the MySQL, and just making sure that works. And yeah, like I'm getting one error also, and I know that it will be solved quickly, but I'm not able to do it properly because I'm just too much tired today. Okay, like this app is not about like that big idea, like a big thing, okay? But just in Australia, so in Australia there is kind of a horse, like there are so many horse, and there is kind of a horse training, horse feedback, horse like kind of a community around that, and they are asking for one app like that has like all the activities, like a program, like week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5 program on one activity. And like that activity there will be many activities, like the horse caring to like a horse communication, horse riding, like each and everything, right? And on those activities there will be the dynamic questions and taking the feedback also. And there will be like a one admin app and one client app, like a members app. And the main thing is the member can donate money also, and like not by just so that will be inbuilt, okay, kind of thing. And there is, I think, it told me like on the phase 2 we will also like have kind of points, okay. And from that they can shop like for the horse kind of a thing, like a kind of bras or like those things. So yeah, like it is kind of a big also, like because from the admin mobile app I need to manage all those permission, like creating, like seeing the data of the feedback to the how much purchase has been there, to removing member, to like verifying member. And my main priority is right now to just my main priority is about the backend, okay, because I can do that Android, yeah, but because I can do that Android UIs. But at the backend, this all logic, this re relationship between the tables, right? I need to make sure. And I guess I'm missing one table also from the project overview. So uh, so response. And okay, to be honest, okay, I have more experience in the NoSQL, like on the MongoDB, but like I don't have like that much kind of a, like I have created backend in the MySQL or Postgres also, but not that much, and not by solo. Okay, like working with the other team members on the backend database, making sure all those relationship is I have done, right. But like making my own logic, that is kind of a so people say, right, like the backend is harder than the front end. Yeah, this is why, because we need to make sure those all relationship and think of other use cases also. But in the front end we have the UI that we need to make, right. Bro, like MongoDB, yes, bro. It depends upon the many things. Like we can like, yeah, so I think I am audible, right? So if you are working on a startup and you don't know your like you don't know your startup like how it is going to go on the fields, or what are going to become the tables relationship. So you have the flexibility of using the MongoDB. And yeah, like MongoDB is also kind of fast to query the data. But if you want to have a standard way, and as the MySQL as the read fast and the Postgres as the write fast, yeah. So you can like have the MySQL and Postgres for like a microservice level, right? So that can I feel for FA we need creativity or B is kind of a same style. Yeah, bro. Like so yeah, so basically I have no like that much experience in the back end, right. So I'm just having to learn, okay, like I'm like right now learning and doing, okay. So भाई क्या गर्मी क्या करूँ so okay, let me check, okay, how much it is in Nepal. So it is 20, bro. 20, but I'm feeling hot, bro. And although it is feeling hot, I'm having a hot coffee, like milk coffee right now. Dipanshu, hey, bro. Hello. Nepal is cold. Yeah, like kind of a mid. But bro, are you from India? No, oh, bro. I'm from Nepal, bro. I'm from Nepal, Kathmandu. And okay, so just want to say, if you guys want to be a part of this journey, so smack that subscribe button. So I'm from coming live each day from January to December. So yeah, I'm shifting to you. Sure, bro. Okay, so I have one room left. Okay, so if you want, yeah. And okay, like if you guys like ever come to the Nepal, right? Just say like one day before on the live, and yeah, we can meet. If you are coming to the capital Kathmandu, you look like a real Dave. Like how so? Does my look says like I'm a Dave? I'm coming, sure, bro. Bro, I asked a question. Bruce. Okay, like okay, so I already shared that all thing, but okay, so let me just say on a quick way, okay. So yeah, today day was a kind of a great like, so I got one new kind of a small project on the Java, like making a command based like a app, okay, like a CLI app for a banking system, and we'll be working on that tomorrow. And yeah, like today day was quite good. What is your tech stack? So my major and my main tech stack is front end, right? React, Next.js. But now in my company, okay, so I do like Java also, and I do backend also on the Express and MongoDB, MySQL. Like it depends upon the project. But yeah, my major like kind of a specialist kind of ways uh Next.js, React, frontend. Uh, what do you scientist? Okay, wait. Do you work for company for freelance? Uh, do you work for company? No, like so yeah. So if you check my live also, because I used to do some of my work in the live also, okay, of my company, because and now I have like stopped doing that because I feel like that is not a best way to be on the live doing my work of my office. But yeah, like we are making one app, okay, so kind of a employee management system. So in Nepal, so in India, if you see, okay, so in India there is one this, okay, pagar book, okay, if you know this boss, if you know this pagar book, I think this pagar book is kind of popular in India, right? So yeah, we are making kind of this kind of application for the market of Nepal. Okay. uh, uh, okay, never ordered. Yeah, like I also ordered recently, but just wanted to give you the picture. Okay, so what we are making, like if I just say okay, the employee management system, like that can mean like a small way also, because we do that kind of thing on a small level also, right? But you're still using Windows now, bro. Yeah, bro. On this laptop, I have Windows because I'm not ever like I don't have the time to just switch. Okay, like because I have so on this laptop I'm doing my Android things, right? And I don't want to just change, configure all those settings, do all those things. So I need some time. So I think I will do on this Saturday. No idea about what I will go through. Okay, so that is of the India. Okay, like the Pagar book. So we are kind of so just want to say like that kind of features and that kind of app and website we are making for Nepali market, for the Nepal market. And of that we are like I'm working as a front end developer on that. uh, I live in US. Okay, bro, like which state, bro? Never heard our it. How 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 you got a job? So basically, after my high school, I like in the high school also I did the internship on, I guess, two company, and another was kind of a informal. Okay, like I didn't get any certificate, so yeah, like I considered only two internship. And after my high school, I just went for one SEO kind of a digital marketing job, and where I did the SEO and digital marketing, Google ads, Facebook ads, and all those WordPress. And then I just shifted to the front end after 1 year of doing that, and now I'm doing front end. And I guess I will be going for a project manager role, but I will also keep my development skill uh, strong. But I just got one kind of a uh, like my boss said me, so can you become the project manager of a new team we are making? So I guess I'm going to become a project manager soon. uh, uh your camera your camera quality improved. Yeah, bro, like so this laptop I'm using for like making Android apps, right? Yeah, so I need a kind of a nice spec which can support the Android Studio. That's paint. Yeah, bro, that's paint. So I'm not thinking to just switch right now. Okay, like I think I will be able to complete like bunch of thing of this app within some weeks. And like basically not whole app, but there will be kind of a phase. Yeah, like the phase one, phase two, phase three. And after completing this phase one, I will be switching to Ubuntu. But yeah, I use my Arc Linux. By the I use Arc. Okay. By the way, I use the Arc. Uh, Bro, lol. Texas. Oh, okay. My cousin is studying in Arizona State University. Lol, a lot of money guys live in Texas. What is he studying? Bro, you can answer the WordPress developer as a developer. Okay, so on that part, so I have one answer. Okay, kind of okay. So in the WordPress also, I have like made many site back in year. Okay, like 1 year ago on the WordPress. So what I think is, if you are making custom themes, you are making plugins in the PSP. Okay, and if you are doing that kind of thing, yeah, you can call yourself a developer. But if you are just creating a WordPress, drag and dropping the takes and uploading photos. Uh, I will not especially say developer, but yeah, like on the SEO. And if you are so if you are on the SEO spectrum, yeah, so there is like on page SEO, office SEO, technical SEO. So that is kind of a board. So you can go a lot of deep on the SEO also, right? So on that level, so you are a SEO expert. But yeah, like that kind of view I have, like not a very uh best view, but yeah, master in computer science. Okay, Rahul. Great. I have done MSc from US. Okay, so you have completed. Okay. Agree. Is your USA safe for Indians? Yeah, like I also want to ask, like, is USA safe for Nepalese also? Uh, I agreed out. It's complicated, bro. It's like skills too. Yeah, like okay, so that was my take. Okay, like that was my. And like one thing, okay, that really depends upon the company. Okay, okay. So if you have done kind of a BCA, okay, like, and in one company there is one position for a software engineer, and you have those skills, you applied, and you got the job, right? So you are on a position of as a software engineer, but you haven't done the engineering, right? So is it okay to call you a engineer, software engineer, or not? Like that is kind of uh, a question, right? So like that really depends upon the company. Also, like if the company has like issued one position on the software engineer and you are accepted on that position, so yeah, you are software engineer. But you can't just say like I'm a software engineer. Like you have to do some degree on that, right? And uh there are many neighbors in India. Yeah, bro. So my best friend also is on the USA. I just I think on the North Carolina, I think state. And I'm also like really thinking to pursue master in the USA. So yeah, okay. Let me just complete and push this code to the GitHub, and I will kind of end this live, okay? Because I'm having like basically I'm so much tired of my today gym session also. Yeah, my leg is hurting like so much right now also. So okay, let me commit my code. Bro, this Windows sound. Haha. My cousin told me many Indians live in Carolina. Is that true? I think only I don't know, California state. So there are a lot of university also, right? Mm, So, just a quick reminder, if you guys are new to this channel and haven't subscribed, then smack that subscribe button if you want to be a part of this journey where I come live each day for throughout this year, 366 day, because this year is a leave year, okay? So, we have extra day. So, I'm coming each day live, no matter what, to focus on my growth, on my personal and my professional. So, yeah, if you guys want to be a part, so you can subscribe. uh I have a Nepali family living in my house on rent. They are so good. Okay, that's like way, and I heard like when you say that, right? So I I, I feel so good, bro. Like I don't know why, but yeah, thanks, man. So okay, git add, git commit. So fix the profile API issue, and also working on the activity API. Yeah, this much can be good. Git git push origin, Piras Dev, and bro, like, okay, so just want to say you guys, okay, one thing, okay, okay. So if you are working, so you and there is one another person also, you are working on one code base on the front end. So you guy, like, you also push your code to the GitHub, and another person also push his or her code to the GitHub, right, on the other repo. So how you manage those, like, kind of merge conflict, or do you create another branch for just to merge and test, and like do you have experience doing that? We need to raise PR. Yes. Yeah, bro, on the PR. Okay. So, like, okay. That is kind of a kind of a big code base. Okay. So, like, for a startup, if I'm saying, okay, so there is only you and one person. Okay. So, like, what I figured it out and what worked for me. Okay, for me, I'm saying. So I have one staging brand, so I pull that code of mine on that staging. I also pull that code of another person, and I merge config, like I see what are the being changed and why that was changed also from the commit, and I make sure that branch is clean, and I see that person to pull also, and I also pull the code from that branch. Okay, so that way our, like, both code will not interact, and that will not create kind of mess, and I will push that code to a main branch or another branch where, like, I have deploy that branch to one testing server, so where I can test, like, where I can also test, and like just a minimal test. Okay, then I pass that to the QA, and if that all everything works, so yeah, then I will push that code to the main branch. So there is main or master branch, then each person should have its own branch. There should make sense. Yeah, yes, brand, yeah. And one thing is, so if you are working on a specific features, okay, and if you then you come to your staging or your kind of a main branch, you check out from that branch and just work on that part and completely, okay, and after that being completely, you merge. Okay, so you can work also on kind of a feature based kind of a branch system. They should make sense, and they should raise pull request to main branch. Yeah, yes, bro. Okay, bro, take care, take rest, and no pain again for the gym. Right, bro. Bro, and like, I do feel like I'm getting kind of strong, okay, because I can do more deadlift, and my squat, like, I can do like 70 kg squat. I can do like 125, like 125, right? Like, not seriously 125, but I just add the bar, okay, like the bar weight, deadlift, but like not kind of a kind of a big change on the body from the external, okay, but I can see my power are being like uh getting a lot strong. The Pansu, it's trying to in Texas. Okay, so now I think in Nepal it is 20, right? I guess tomorrow will be around 29 in the day 29 for this week, and on this Saturday we have 31. Yes, brand system. Texas is kind of popular US state, so so many groups. So yeah, like, so I push the code. Okay, so guys, I will be staying a bit on this live, just going through some documentation that I need to do tomorrow. And bro, this Windows sound, I'm just getting mad. So just a quick question, okay? Like, if you guys like, what OS you are using, guys? Like you are using Windows, Ubuntu, or like any specific Fedora, Mint, or just wanted to know like a Window and Mac. Okay, bro. Like which Mac you are using? M1, M2? Like I'm thinking to buy one Mac and sure after some month. Okay, 1 month I guess. Yeah. And here it's 29. I'm from Kanpur. Okay, bro. Well, yeah, like I have heard of Kanpur, bro. Like, if you guys like, okay, I know like so much thing about India. Okay, like I'm saying kind of a big thing right now, but yeah, I know a lot about India, bro. Like not on a state level, kind of on a deep level, right? But like from the childhood, right? So I have like watched all like a series also serial, like when my mom used to watch like Kum Kum Bhagi kind of thing also, right? From the cartoon to like Dhruv Rati, Carrie Minati, and Technical Guruji, like Code with Harry, like each and every game, like I think my most of these subscribed YouTuber are like all Indian. Okay, I use gaming laptop for coding too. Okay, yeah, like bro. So, but I think like the for the coding like Mac is kind of a great, yeah. Like that is just kind of a the screen is also the like small and that can fit in your laptop, and yeah, the battery is also very good. And the one thing is on the most of the high spec laptop, right? If you don't plug your like kind of a battery cable, then there will be not kind of a performance boost. Okay, but the Mac is kind of either you have like plugged in or not, your performance is kind of a same, right? Biraj Gargi, you use Linux too? Yes, bro. Like I use Ubuntu like from past 1.5 year, and recently I switched to the Arc. Okay, Arc Linux, and I have that on my this laptop. So just flexing my sticker on this laptop, and on this laptop I have window. Okay, I'm a big Ubuntu guy. Oh yeah, bro. I use Ubuntu long back. Yes, but Mac sucks if you it's more than 4 years old. Bro, my laptop is just 2 3 I guess 2 year old and it really sucks. Like okay. Because Nepal and India are kind of or like I see no difference. I can come India and then I don't need, yeah, bro. Like so Janaki temple, right? So our Ram, Lord Ram, and the Mata Sita, right? So like that is also kind of a make main reason for like open border. Uh, yes, it's great. It's about hardware, field, environment setup is easy, but Mac sucks. I feel Ubuntu and Mac feel kind of similar. Okay, like similar. Yeah, like okay. So, Unix based system, so it divided into the Mac and another one went to the Linux, right? So I might be wrong, but what I like or is okay, what I have like read through is like Unix based and that is on like Mac and one is on the Linux way kind of went through, right? Jai Shri Ram, yes, bro. uh Jai Shri Ram. So yeah, tomorrow is Nam. Okay, sorry, okay. Like I just plotted. Yeah, to Omar is Ram Navami. So yeah, guys, I will be ending this live. So tomorrow I'm going to come, and tomorrow I will be like having like a lot of energy. Okay, and tomorrow I will be working on my startup also. Cause this past week, yeah. So because I had like so I needed to learn back in that for my work on my office and that Android also. So I was so much busy on just learning things, right? But like my main priority is building my own startup. And so yeah, uh I will see you guys tomorrow, and until then, take care. See you tomorrow and stay safe, and Jai Sri Ram. Okay, bye, take care.